Alrighty guys, with cold and cough season just around the corner, I'm stocking up and getting ready to keep my family healthy during those unexpected sick days. One thing I always make sure to have on hand is KinderMed Kids Cough and Congestion. It's a must-have for my kiddos to help them feel better when the cough and cold come around, and to avoid any last-minute runs to the pharmacy. I love that KinderMed is doctor formulated and made with the same proven active ingredients as the leading brand, but without dyes, parabens, artificial sweeteners, or artificial flavors. It's a cleaner and effective option you can feel good about giving to your kids. If you haven't stocked up yet, now's the perfect time to grab yours and stay ahead of the season with KinderMed.